So look, we've done it again. This time in Burlington, Kentucky. Deck rescue painting. I'm at the river deck. Throughout this video, I'm going to insert in photos so you can see what this deck system did look like, right? An older deck system. This isn't like $1 million deck system, right? But to replace it, it's a crazy cost. It's something like 20 grand to replace a deck like this. Kong Armor deck rescue painting. Took this deck, we repaired it, replaced bad boards, replaced bad planks, right? Came in, did all the maintenance to it, got it up to maintenance standards. And then we came in with our thick build, high stretch, tough as nails, lifetime deck armor, and just encapsulated this. There was peeling Behr Deck Over here too. So this was a peeling Behr Deck Over lockdown encapsulation, and the results are stunning from where it was to where it is now. So that you can see what this did look like, but just you can imagine a deck in its worst condition is what this looked like. All right, here we are today, and stunningly gorgeous, beautifully resurfaced. This was all old sun damaged wood that most contractors would have specified replacement on, but we worked with the intention of filling in these hairlines. All these hairlines on this deck resurfaced to where they're closed off and water's not getting into them and destroying this deck system long term, right? They're strong, they're stable. The surface of them is just damaged, right? So complete resurfacing here at the river deck. We'll talk about the value to the homeowner here. They would have had to hire a deck restoration professional, a deck repair professional. No doubt would have been thousands. And then hire a deck painting company or a deck finishing company to come in and do this. With us, they got that all in one shot, in one bundle, right? Deck rescue painting. So that right there is extreme value in itself. But we didn't stop there, because not only have we armored this deck system, but we're also armoring the customer here with lifetime limited warranty and something that's super special, that's unheard of in the deck coating, deck painting industry. And that's a lifetime service promise. So tough coating, right? Thick build, high stretch, warranty, lifetime service. We beat this dude that way. Where's he at? Right here. We beat him. We beat him. And that's the only way to beat him. It's the only way that I'm aware of to beat the sun and keep a deck system protected for a lifetime. Now let's talk about the features of the river deck system. It has world-class, first-in-class UV deflection. We call it UV block. And what happens is, this dude, he shines down damaging UVA and UVB rays on this ultra. Wow, look how gorgeous. Look at that ultra thick build on there. My goodness. Covered over the fastener entry points and everything. Listen, that's unparalleled protection. That's unparalleled protection. You guys aren't getting that from these guys running around painting houses. I can tell you that right now. They don't know how to do that. They ain't got the time to do that. All right, but listen, the UV rays come down, they hit the surface of Kong. They're deflected back up into that blue sky, back up into that atmosphere where they belong. Splinter lock technology. No fear really, typically, of splinters, of getting a splinter, running your hand through it. Water lock. When wood is coated with Kong, the moisture can't penetrate the wood to get into it, right? And so we cut down on that expansion and contraction cycle. Less moisture that can get into the wood, less damage it causes long term, right? So water lock featuring bead and drop technology. What is bead and drop technology? It's super, super neat. We let gravity do the work. Water hits our system, it beads up. So it'll actually bead up, and then gravity carries that bead down and off of the system. Then we talk about mildew guard and algae guard, advanced resin technology that's first in class, first in the world. It's super technology that inhibits the growth of mildew, mold, algae, all these organic growths that happen in nature. It's hard to keep that stuff away from forever. But that's why you have your lifetime service with us. So that's why you can utilize that lifetime service promise once a year for annual cleaning. Okay? Take care of that stuff then. Boom. It's done. It's over. Never before in history has a deck painting company offered long-term care for their coating systems. It's never been done. Everybody's starting to learn that if we bring the toughest coating to the ball game, the most advanced, toughest, strongest thing on the planet, if we bring that and we pair it with a tradesman and a company that cares and will stay with the client, we can create lifetime protection, right? They're starting to figure that out. But the problem is that's ultra hard to find. That's ultra hard to find. You'll only find it here at Kong. You want the best, go to kongarmor.com today, click the get free quote button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.